Yes.
Your Honor, in this case, the witness, there's someone returned to serve, Your Honor, but it was received by the sister of the witness, Your Honor.
The accused persons are here.
They are present. Both are present.
So what is to be done?
One more chance will be given, Your Honor.
What case is this?
302.
How many witnesses have been examined? All right. Accused
6, Your Honor.
Seishilla and Mokli Shilla present, along with defense counsel S. Chakraborty, additional prosecutor T. Lambang present. Someone issued to the witness return. Sir, the witness is absent without any steps. Prosecution prays for giving one more opportunity to the prosecution. The prosecutor prays that one more opportunity may be given to produce the witness. Pray aloud. Refix for evidence. Prosecution to take first steps.
The accused person stepped down.
Yes.
Good day.
This case also no witness, Your Honor.
Accused Lucien A. Sangma present, along with defense counsel Srimati S.G. Marpana. Srimati. Additional prosecutor D. Lambang present. The prosecution shall ensure that witness is present on the next date fixed. Refix for evidence. Yes.
No witness, Your Honor.
Yes. What is the last order? Where is the accused?
Yes, Marcus Black.
It's produced in person.
He's on bail.
Huh?
He's on bail. Actually, this case is held by the chief, but he's indisposed today. I'll be representing him for
All right. Accused Marcos Pillai present. Legal aid counsel present. Prosecutor T. Lambang present. Prosecution has not taken any steps to summon the witnesses. Prosecution shall take steps to summon the witnesses. Refix for evidence.
the case presented by Marcus Black.
Speaks for final hearing. For my side, I conclude my argument. I have nothing more to add. This is a case where the alleged incident happened in the compound of Blue One member and extrajudicial and Blue Weekend.
Your Honor, I'd like to pray that this matter may be taken second half since Leonard PP is having parent-teacher meeting. So he'll be coming in second half.
I will take next day.
Okay.
The additional prosecutor T. Lambang informed this court that the public prosecutor L.S. Yambon is conducting the case. He is not present before this court today due to some personal reasons. Accused witness
Present. Yes, yes.
Vitel Sumo
Yes.
present along with defense counsel D. Lambang. T.
He's still T.
T. Lambang. Refix for further hearing. Yes. Yes.
Bormi Pertu, Korban Har.
This Your Honor, the defendant, RB in Your Honor, called me this morning that he, being the SMC member of St. Paul High Secondary School, Mokas 1, so they are having parent-teacher meeting today, so he needs to be present there. So as such, pray that to fix the matter.
Additional prosecutor T. Lambang present. Accused Bormi Purthu present. Accused Korban Har produced from Jail Azhar. Defense counsel absent without any steps. Refix for further hearing. Yes.
Dami Hipi Abara.
Yes.
It's for hearing, the
Petition number,
conducting counsel is on the way.
on the way.
Yes, Your Honor, and this is handled by PP, Your Honor, will be coming in second.
Okay. Yes.
Bail application demo.
Yes. Yes.
This one is a bill application. This is the second bill application.
Who's appearing for the prosecution?
No, I'll be appearing here.
Yes.
Application.
Yes.
I'm moving a bill, a second bill application, for granting of bail to the accused person, demand, filed by the petitioner who is a sister of the accused person, Marquis person was arrested on the 10th of June 2025, on the strength of the NBWA issued by this honorable court in a detail. 9th June 2025, on the ground that the witness feared the accused persons imposed threat on the witness, on the ground that the witness fear of the accused person, as the accused person was threatened on the witness, and the accused person has been on judicial custody now for a period of 183 days, And put the witness, which the prosecution consider as a eyewitness, PW 16 and 17 has been examined before this honorable court, and therefore, there are no chance that the accused person may impose threat to the witness or hamper or tamper with the prosecution witness in future, And Your Honor, both the witness, PW 16 and 16, 16 and 17, the witness, the evidence are not corroborating to each other, It clearly shows that, that the both evidence of both the witness are contradicting to each other with a serious doubt to the case, And PW 18, who is Kulandas, who is one of the sister witness in this instant case, has been summoned on many dates to appear before this honorable court, but he did not appear till date for his evidence, but he did not appear till date for his evidence, and this will just linger the case for more period of time, and it will lead to long executions of the of the accused in jail. Such procedural lapse not only undermine the credibility of the prosecution case, but will also prejudice the right of the accused person if kept for more period of time in judicial custody, and which also, led to an infringement to one of the fundamental rights of the accused person, which is Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. I will also like to submit, on the 21st November 2025, this honorable court has passed order, uh, that in case the prosecution fail to produce the witness on the next date, that the accused person may release on bail, on the 5th of December 2025, the said accused person, PW18, was did not turn up or fail to against to depose his evidence before this honorable court. Hence, I pray that my accused person may be released on bail on any terms and conditions this honorable court may deem fit and prefer, and my accused person shall abide by the terms and conditions and undertake to appear before this honorable court on every date fixed, till the disposal of the case. And for which act of kindness I humbly pray that my accused person may be released on bail.
Yes, Your Honor. Since the allegation is it's grave, Your Honor, that he imposed threat on the witness, Your Honor. And then plus, yes, the two witness, main witness, that is PW 16 and 17, have been examined. And since these two witnesses already been examined, Your Honor, and seeing the list of witness, Your Honor, there's no more independent witness, Your Honor, that is only official witness, Your Honor. So, Your Honor, I have no objection. Plus, Your Honor, the accused may be released on stringent condition, Your Honor.
You are claiming
Yes, Your Honor.
for release on bail.
Yes, Your Honor.
On what ground?
On the ground that till date, the PW18, did not appear for this court for his
When was the last witness examined?
last witness was examined on 7 July 2025, Your Honor.
Legal con- When was the first bail application moved? After his arrest?
First bill application was on the
7 October, Your Honor.
When were you arrested?
arrested on 10 of June. Your Honor.
When?
On the 10th of June, Your Honor. 10 June.
NBW was issued when?
On the 6th June, Your Honor. On 9 June, Your Honor.
Why was NBW issued against you?
The witness fear of the accused person, that he may threaten the witness.
Which witness?
PW 16.
Yes. When was the last witness examined?
On 7 of July, Your Honor.
PW 16 has been examined.
Yes, Your Honor.
Give you the order dated 9/6/2016. 9/6/2025. Let him read. Please read the order.
CR put up today. Accused person Thomas June are in claim along with Ledet Council RM Chedap are present. Accused person Penbat telah present before this court today. Accused person Dimon Dahar absent without any step. Land Defense Council AM no to do for the accused person Penbat and Dimon Dahar absent without any step. Landed Additional Public Secretary Shri S. Changsan present. Witness PW16 Srimati Ithelda present, examined by London prosecutor. Examination in chief could not be concluded. This court has very painfully examined the witness who is present before this court. It is only at the later stage of the examination it was found that the witness is very well reluctant to reveal the fact because she feared the accused person who are present in the dock. Further, there is another accused, Damon Dahar, who has cautioned the witness not to reveal the truth. There are many schemes launched for witness protections, but the stark reality is the fact that the witness and the accused person in rural area stay in the same village. They are vulnerable to threat and inducement. Sometimes witnesses are women with family and children. They succumb to the threat and pressure. This court is of the view, considering the nature of the offense and the witness being a woman with two children staying in a remote place, immediate intervention and required for the protections of witness. This could find that the witness will never reveal the true fact of the case so long as the accused persons are at large. The bail order dated 4/2014 and 11 7 2014, 21 7 2014 of the three accused are kept in abeyance. The accused persons who are present before this court are taken into custody and remanded to 14 days judicial custody for reason discussed above. Since the petition shall be present before this court. Further, the witness has furnished her address that is Latrumbai Dongwa, Dingpo Netlang Building, East Jaintia Hill District. The Superintendent of Police East Jaintia Hill is directed to provide security to the witness and the family member. Any mishap with the witness or family member, the SP East Jaintia Hill shall be personally responsible as the witness is residing within the jurisdictions of East Jaintia Hill. Copy of this order shall be forwarded to the Superintendent of Police East Jaintia Hill District through BT message. The witness shall provide mobile number of DLSA staff as well as the Secretary DLSA. In event of mishap or inactions of the police, she can always contact the Secretary DLSA or the staff. On the next date fixed, the PW16 shall be produced before this court with proper security. The SP West Jaintia Hill shall coordinate with the SP of West Jaintia Hill. The accused person shall be given an opportunity to show cause as to why the bail application should not be cancelled. Issue notice to the accused person to show cause as to why the bail order should not be cancelled for threatening the witness. The accused person shall be medically examined before into custody. Needless to say, if found fit, no further summons shall be issued to the witness PW16 as the witness is notified of the next day. Refixed for examinations of PW16. The witness shall be examined on the next date fixed in Witness Deposition Center. Fixed 23rd June for productions, evidence and show cause hearing on the cancellations of bail of the accused person. Later on at around 5 p.m., SI Rimitiwar Nombri submit the report apprising the court that the accused person is in station of Markha village, Nostan. He was contacted over the phone. The accused person has been directed to appear before Premier Traffic. Pursued the report, the accused person Demon Dhar shall be produced before this court as and when arrested. Let there be a standing warrant against the accused person Demon Dhar. Seen also the medical report of the accused Hemas Jun and Pen Baitalang. Both the accused persons are medically fit and to be taken into custody.
So all the other two accused persons are also in custody.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now?
Yes, Your Honor. All the accused are in custody.
When did we refuse your first bail application?
The 7th October.
What is the order? 7 October?
Accused person Hemas Jun to claim Pen Baitalang and Demon Dhar are produced before this court from District Prison and Correctional Home, July through VC.
What is the bail? Read the bail order of 7/10/2025.
The petitioner, Srimati Lanosha Dhar, has filed an application under Section 483 of BNSS, praying for release of the accused person, Shri Demon Dhar, on bail, who was arrested in connection with Section 10 of 2019. Bail application is registered and placed before this honorable court. This bail application under Section 483 of BNSS 2023 for release of the accused person in connection with Section 10 of 2019. The application is supported by an affidavit and moved by London Counsel Shri I. M. Shah for the petitioner. Place these bail applications along with the report of session case 10 of 2019. Fix the matter tomorrow for hearing. This is a bail application under Section 483 of BNSS.
Read the operative part of the order.
The land counsel for the petitioner submitted that the accused person Demon Dhar was arrested on the
I'm
7th.
not considered about the submission. What is our decision on your bail application?
This could find that the submissions made by the prosecution that the accused person has criminal antecedent is correct. This is a case involving twins murder. Considering the circumstance under which the accused was arrested and keeping in mind the interests and protections of the witness, this court is not inclined to grant bail to the accused person. Bail application stand reject and dispose of.
What has changed after passing of this order?
After passing of the order, this honorable court was pleased to pass another, on the 21st of 2000 November, that if the prosecution failed to produce the.
See, what is the order? Where do we say that we will release him on bail if they fail to produce?
May release on bail.
Where does it say? Where do we see that we will release him on bail.
Point number 5.
Number 5 says the last witness was examined on 7/7/2025. The accused persons are in custody. 4 months has lapsed. The prosecution has failed to produce witnesses. If the prosecution fails to produce witnesses on the next date fixed, this court shall pass necessary order. Where we said that we'll grant you bail.
I apologize, Your Honor. I mistakenly heard.
So after we rejected the bail application on 7/7, when did we reject the first bail application?
On 7 November, 7 October.
Your detention in custody was not for the purpose of expediting the trial, but you had threatened the witness.
Yes, Your Honor.
So now what has changed that we should release you on bail?
You know, this person is now staying at Nongstown, you know, and the witness was staying in East Jaintia Hill in Larumbai. That there are no chance, you know, that my accused person may further threaten the witness, you know. And you know that no independent, no official witness, you know, in this system left, you know, to be examined before this honorable court.
Take the witness, twin murder case. You went to the house of the sister of the sister of Demondhar went to the house of the witness and told her not to speak in the court. What is the kind of threat?
You know, there are no threatening, you know, it was just to harass my accused person, you know.
Huh?
It was just, there's no threaten or.
What did the witness PW16 say? What was that evidence which had come before this court? What is the evidence which has come before the court through PW16 to show that PW16 was threatened by the accused persons?
Your previous system stated that the accused used to threaten the.
What is that statement? Show me the evidence PW16.
The accused person demon will send his daughter to my house, and the sister will tell me not to speak before the court. The enrollment of the accused person, the two accused persons who are present before this court also pose a lot of threat.
Paragraph? Paragraph?
Last paragraph, you know.
Number?
No number, you know, it was after paragraph 7. You know.
This is the sister of the accused, Demondhar, had come to my residence and left an information to my sister that if I receive a summon from the court, I should not disclose the name of Demondhar in the court. I do not know the name of the sister. On the last date, that is on 9/6/2025, when I came to depose before this court along with my sister, Santila Dakhar, the accused Panbat told my sister to convey to me that I should not speak the truth in the court. The accused Panbat Talang and Thomas Jones are the henchmen of Damon Dhar. Now, since I have deposed before this court, I fear the accused persons may do harm. What do you want?
Yes,
Tell.
I want strict terms and conditions. If my
Huh?
accused person was enlarged and bill, I want
What
this
is
could,
that? Tell me what is that strict terms and condition?
that the accused shall not be in contact with the witness, and
Huh?
and that there are no chances that both of the accused, both of the witness and the accused person are staying separately, and that from one district to another district.
But you may be staying separately, but your sister goes to the house of the victim.
The sister,
Now that the victim has spoken in the court,
the sister of the accused.
she says, the accused Panbai told my sister to convey me that I should not speak the truth in the court. The accused Panbai Talang and Thomas Jones Reclam are the henchmen of Damon Dhar. Now, since I have deposed before this court, I fear the accused persons may do harm. Now she's already spoken in the court, taking their name. Then she fears you can do anything.
I should discuss that my case person.
You will assure.
Yes, sir.
You'll sign indemnity bond. That anything goes wrong, you will take the responsibility. If you want to take the responsibility, we'll release your bill. Will you take the responsibility?
No, but.
If you take, we'll release your bill.
I'll coordinate with my accused person.
Huh?
I coordinate with my accused person.
Coordinate is all right. Coordination is a very mild term. Here is a question of a life and death of somebody.
And also, the sister of the accused persons are staying in Kendong, Tuberu, which is in West Jaintia Hill district, whereas the victim are now staying in East Jaintia Hill, with her husband, with her new family. The witness are now staying in East Jaintia Hill district, with her husband and children.
Do you know about this case?
Yes,
Do you know the facts of this case?
This case is through to him.
Who is PW 15 and 16? PW 15 and 16 are also accused.
PW 16 and 17.
Where is the 6 lakhs? 2 people were butchered in a gypsy. Then PW 15 and 16 together they went and stayed with the accused person in Shillong.
Yes,
they are also an accused. But they were pardoned under section 306 during executive time. It's more dangerous. (15 and 16 are also an accused.
16 and 17.
Yes. They are also an accused. They were the one that took the deceased in the gypsy to a sacred place under the guise of there is a birthday party. And on the way, they were intercepted by these people. That's the prosecution case. And they were killed. And that 6 lakhs is, where is that 6 lakhs? Money? Huh?
I don't know. I'm not aware
They distributed.
They made it be distributed.
And this girl stayed with you people in Shillong for how many days after the crime? PW 16 is the girlfriend of the deceased.
PW 16 is the girlfriend of the accused person.
Huh?
PW 16 is the.
Well, how did she went there? To give shawl, huh?
Yes,
No. No, we cannot allow. Bail. If we are release you, have to release both. Thomas John also. Now what has happened that I'll change my mind on 16, on 7/10, I said no, I cannot grant bail. We'll pass necessary order means what? We may close the PWs. But not necessarily we'll release you on bail. This is a bail application for the release of the accused. Demandhar. The application is supported by an affidavit and moved by learned counsel Sri so-and-so. Her learned counsel for the petitioner Sri so-and-so, her learned Additional Prosecutor T. Langbang.
I am staying.
Okay. This is second bail application for the release of the accused. After his arrest on the strength of NBWA issued by this court. The first bail application was rejected by order dated 7/10/2025. Learned Defense Counsel has drawn attention of this court. Which order? Where we said that we'll pass necessary order.
21st November.
Learned Defense Counsel has drawn attention of this court to the order dated
21st November.
21st November 2025 and submits that this court was pleased to observe that our prosecution has failed to produce witnesses and the matter is pending for trial. The accused person is in custody for more than 4 months. During this period, trial has not proceeded. The observation of this court in order dated 21/11/2025 that necessary order shall be passed if prosecution fails to produce witnesses has given rise to this instant bail application. Full stop. Next paragraph. At the very outset, this court finds that the observation of this court cannot be read as this court would grant bail. And at the very outset, the observation of this court that necessary order shall be passed cannot be read as court would grant bail to the accused. Necessary order has many dimensions. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the accused Demon Dhar is in custody for almost 4 months. Trial has not proceeded. There has been delay in trial. As such, he prays for grant of bail. Full stop. Next paragraph. The other contention of the counsel for the petitioner is that all important witnesses have been examined. There is no scope for the accused to threaten, and there is no room for the accused to threaten the witnesses or influence the witnesses. At this stage, learned prosecutor Sri So is present. from his submission, it emerges that the prosecution is in the same page with the petitioner. It will not be necessary to record the submission of the prosecution. It will be suffice to record that the prosecution does not have any objection to the grant of bail to the accused. Full stop. Next paragraph. Grant or refusal of bail is a discretion of the court. However, this discretion is not an unfettered discretion. The court has to exercise its discretion based on the material on record and by applying judicious mind. Full stop. Coming to the case in hand, next paragraph. Coming to the case in hand, this court finds that PW 16 appeared before this court on 23rd June 2025. She had deposed before this court in response to the court question pushed out. This court was compelled to put a question to the witness bracket PW 16 after observing that the witness was very reluctant to speak. This court had put a question if the witness was scared of the accused persons. It will not be necessary to, it will not be proper to replicate the answer, but the answer was very disturbing. But the answer of the witness was very disturbing. The witness affirmed that she was scared of the accused persons. Consequently, this court was pleased to issue show cause notice to the accused persons as to why the bail order should not be cancelled. After hearing the parties, the bail order of the accused Demon Dhar along with the other accused was cancelled. Resultant, the accused Demon Dhar was taken into custody. Full stop. This is not a case where the accused is praying for grant of bail in a routine manner. The accused Demon Dhar, along with the other accused persons, they were on bail, facing trial. During the course of the examination of PW16, it emerged that they were not only threatening, they were not only influencing the witness through their agent, bracket relative, but had also threatened the witness not to speak the truth. First off, this court had cancelled the bail, finding substance in the evidence of PW16. After the bail order has been cancelled, on the ground that the accused had misused the liberty by threatening the witnesses, once again granting bail to the accused person would not be proper. This is a case which involved twin complex murder, the accused Demon Dhar has a criminal antecedent. He is facing trial in many serious offences. This court finds this court reiterates, after cancelling the bail, unless something extraordinary appears, such as unless something extraordinary appears, such as health ground or trial has not proceeded for a considerable period, or the trial has been delayed for an unacceptable period, bail can be considered, which is not the case here. This court is not inclined to grant bail to the accused Demon Dhar for the reasons discussed above. Bail application stands rejected. He is capable. He is capable of doing anything. We have got so many cases against him. How many cases he has?
Only the way now. This is the only case in the video.
Many cases he has. Demon Dhar. The gang rape also is there?
UAP.
Huh?
Which UAP?
No, one more is there.
This UAP and one got acquittal.
Huh?
Got acquittal. 302.
No, in that case, where the file was missing?
No, it's not. It's not that.
No. Oh, no.
No, that is Jarisnya.
Huh?
Jarisnya. It's not that.
No. Jumbai, find out how many cases he has.
Demon Dhar.
Demon. Okay.
Good day.
We like to release him, but then not with this antecedent. No. On one ground, we'll release him. Yes, if this PW 16 is made an accused. PW 16 is made an accused, then she'll go to jail and you'll go out. The witness PW 16, if she's made an accused in this case, then we will release you. You want to disclose the truth? We'll pardon you. We'll pardon you. You to talk to your client. We'll pardon you. Forget about bail. We are 306. I've got the power to pardon you. Tell us the truth. Because I don't think so. These girls are innocent. Take it out. They stayed together with them in Shillong and everything. After the murder, you'll go and stay with somebody if you are a witness. And who's the IO of the case? Who's the IO? Died. Yes. Huh? Pocheng. You alive or dead? Retired. Pocheng or Pocheng?
P-O-H-C-H-E-N.
चलो ठीक है. Okay. Okay. Next. Neil Shilla. What is
This is
case?
also for 313.
313. How many witnesses there?
8.
What is the charge? We'll examine. Okay. Head Dakar.
Your Honor, the NPPA report came that, Your Honor, that the EO has made several attempts, Your Honor, to arrest the accused person, and they have also visited the residence of the accused person. But they were informed that the accused person, after his wife, Million Ban, died, Your Honor, the accused became mentally disturbed and left home since 1 year.
All right. Came to the court. I saw him. If I happen to see him, I can still, without naming him, I can. Dahlia, put the mother, his sister.
His sister.
Put her in the jail. She's misleading us. Tell her we are sending her to jail. Yes. Either pay the money or we'll realize the money as a fine and put her in jail. This court had passed a judgment convicting the accused, Head Dakar. The accused is evading. The accused is evading sentence. The sister of the accused.
She learned that he was in Phung Kiang.
You remain in jail. Tell her. No. The bailer is the sister of the accused who is present before this court. It appears that the bailer is trying to mislead the court by giving false, by making false statement with regard to the whereabouts of the accused. The bailer, Srimati So-and-so, is taken in custody and remanded to judicial custody. This court shall initiate appropriate proceeding against the bailer without prejudice to the forfeiture of the bail amount. He'll issue fresh non-bailable warrant against the accused. Yes, take her to jail. Next. Take her for medical, send her jail.
Reward Capital,
Hmm.
MSC 2.
C2 number 3 number 4 Your Honor of 2022 Your Honor. This one is fixed for filing written argument, but today I'm not ready, Your Honor. I will the court to file next day because today.
This to file and give me soft copy also.
Okay.
Learned counsel, this matter be heard. This matter is fixed for ex parte hearing. Is it ex parte hearing?
Today for filing the written argument. Your Honor.
This matter is fixed today for filing of the written argument. This matter is fixed for this matter. Has it been heard?
Yes.
Heard. So it's very important. If it's heard, then the other side cannot come and get it vacated. They have to file an appeal. Matter has been heard.
Yes, Your Honor. Even the insurance also ex parte have been passed. Your Honor.
Learned counsel for the claimant submits that a hearing of the instant matter may stand concluded. The claimant shall file written argument.
Yes.
Fixed for filing written argument. Yes, next. Same order.
Yes.
All
same.
three.
All three. Your Honor.
File. Before I go for vacation, I pass the order.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. What else we have?
We'll do the 313 first one.
Ah.
Let's wait for.
This the lady has come with whom? This man is with whom? The lady. Who is he? No, who is this man?
I'm here, sir.
Huh?
I'm here, sir.
Son. Why are you not disclosing where is your uncle?
I don't know.
Huh?
Honestly, I don't know where is he.
But your mother said that she's in Umkyang.
Yeah, the
No.
people around the
Okay. Let your mother be in jail. She's not telling the truth. And don't stand in the court like that with your hands in your pocket. Yes. Yes, what we have the hearing on that? What is this? Witness?
313, sir.
313.
And this other matter we had hearing? Okay.
That one, Your Honor,
Okay.
PP will be coming.
Okay. This Sanki Lindo.
Something can die.
Huh? Kendai. Yeah. We'll not do all, we'll do few.
Okay.
Okay. We are ready? Witness PW1, Shri Moses Dakhar. Stated in his evidence that I know about this case. I was the VDP president of Kuntong Tuber village. On the day of the incident, I was informed by the VDP members of the village that the accused conduct chased two VDP members carrying a dao and threatening to kill them. Thereafter, they ran away from. That's all right. Fine. The next morning, we convened a meeting. In the meeting, we decided to hand over the accused to the police as he had chased two VDP members with a dao and threatened to kill them. Exhibit 1 is the FIR. What he has to say?
PW nukong 134 1 execute no omodative which panic case OT por manu with P president younger VDP younger chnong kandong to bel. The hagani kasni wajia the inform you the pentipi o de gini VDP member younger chnong be wa me usan ki kendai the kedong mi armut kini ki VDP the rak ro mi go white the hiti por ro the maham penyap mi ki the mandem ni te ki dio gi wa rak mi the white the pet ki yut ki me hagas step on hagawi man mana dapat untuk kesini wajia he stem the peman meeting gi the peman meeting gi hak tak meeting the ya ong gi woto yo ue no gi me cha gi police the woto oi the dap kedong mi gi kini gi armut gi VDP member we the rak ro mi bo wait bo wa maham penyap ro mi gi the you ong mi ma the ma'am it is not true it is not true
He has anything to explain?
em hiểu quả mình bật tay
em rồi làm tệ rồi
nhìn đi bệnh
làm tệ em rồi ngài vẫn rất ngồi được kinh thì vẫn luôn thì bồi dưỡng chấm được thì tệ em rồi bài
và kaman subay ni
rất bị rồi em làm tiệc
he said that he came from the field and he was only falsely implicated by them, Your Honor.
The above evidence is not true. I have been falsely implicated by PW1.
And
PW
on that day, Your Honor, he came from the field.
That we'll see last. PW2, Sri Ajit Das R. Marak stated in his evidence that on 8/8/2019 at around 11 a.m., the VDP member of Kantong Tuber village appeared at Pramea traffic cell and submitted a written FIR against one Sanki Kindai. On 11:36 a.m., MCE was open, and on 12 noon, I left Kantong Tuber along with my staff and along with the accused person Sanki Kindai to search for the Khasi Dao. On 12:40 p.m., I arrived at the house of the accused Sanki Kindai. On being led by the accused persons, I recovered one Khasi Dao. Accordingly, I seized the Khasi local Dao in presence of the witnesses Pandap Priba Pawa and one home guard Punhun Biang of traffic cell, Pramea traffic cell. Exhibit 2 is the seizure list. What he has to say.
Dapat unim nas kiu aran u ajit das armarang the ong por one is kiu wa hagni khapra teruk benai wa pra ajar khakndi he por khabi wiji kini gi VDP member the one gi cha hapok Pramea traffic cell the egi gijing thok FIR ma wa percha yumi the ni the hagajuk ikisni khabi steng the wa gi ni kis the RG ro ipor the layo cha kendong tu ber wa ki staff yang o the kamjol ra wami the po manapo hetem yithu u yigtagni ka ngi ko wai the hypo khat ar so pa wan the po gi hayung yong me the man dep ki po hayung yong me ya mi ki the chem u yigni ka wai ma hadin ni the dep ki ka u man the chem ki ka the pen man nong ski gini ka kong pendap ribaha phawa go wi u hom gan u bertoi u pen hun bi am yong ka Pramea traffic cell you ong mi ta
cái này em thì được rải nha được bị thụ cái gì vậy
em hi ta yes, Your Honor, it is true that the Dao was seized.
From?
Ni one time again.
dùng bộ gam dụng bộ ở văn khi ở văn lông bộ là cái đồng
From his resident.
He led to the recovery of the
Mi
dog.
wa ya gi kita ki pulit u thoi gani ka ye.
điều ngài là mình xin luôn cái vậy thì nào cái vậy hay dùng rồi vậy chụp rạ luôn
This Dao he used to carry it to his workplace and they asked him where he kept the Dao and he led them to the place where he kept.
The police arrived in his house.
Ki pulit wan gi hayong yong me. Yes.
Or he went along with the police?
Me will I long way you pull it more you one more. Or me, na pramer. From pramer, yes.
Who took him to Prame?
You are ya me to pramer.
Puli di uli tu ai tadi por
Then na chnong to pramer you ya me.
ora you step puli di se ya
Puli
lang
di.
te
The
ki
police
ra ki
from
te tham meeting
From where he was taken to Prame?
no one town na yung mo
te tham char ya club
club from the meeting itself.
He was present in the meeting.
And me hiti por wa man meeting ke.
em hi ya kalam du ki nga salai ni
He's outside, but the meeting was convened inside.
Why did he go for the meeting?
Come on, lie me the meeting.
put nya step on ni le lai tai ya kalam ne po ya kalam du ki nga chung
He
ya
was
salai
asked to come to the meeting, but
For what purpose?
ibahai daw
ha ite se wa om ni ne ma ham ti ya ni kedong ni nga am re
for the purpose that he threatened them.
Who called him to the meeting?
You were part me to the meeting.
te hi pi po
DVDP.
The members of the BTP of the village had asked me to appear in a meeting to discuss the allegation of me mocking AMOC. No, not separate, same word. Me mocking MOCKIG. Me mocking the VDP members. I went to the meeting. When he went to the meeting, police was there.
For la meeting and police.
mana dia kalam ni pun please
I went to the meeting. In the meeting, the VDP members called the police. The police came and took me to Pramer police station. Thereafter, the police asked me about my knife, my local dao, which I use for my use what?
Bahai penam kami ya kani gawat.
wan lo ma oi te ya chem me se ki
Penam kam sa loma. He used to carry to his field work.
Which I thereafter the police asked me about my local knife, which I use for, which I carry with me
Yes, he used to carry.
for my work. I took the police personnel to my house and give the local dao to them. Yes. Add that one sentence. Material exhibit 1 is the PW2 further stated in his evidence that on the same day, that is 1:30, on the same day at 1:30 p.m., I left from Kuntong to Beir village to Pramer traffic cell. The accused person was sent for medical examination at around 6 past 5 p.m. At around 7 p.m., I interrogated the accused person, to which he duly admitted that he had chased the VDP members with a dao after they had a quarrel, but nobody was injured. Later, I arrested the accused person. He was kept in safe custody of the police lockup that night and was produced before the court on the following day. What he has to say.
Tapi uni nas ki wa ada ong ra o hagani ga kat kam hagajing chem yang o wa hagani ga sni hagajo hagatu gutrik wa gi me tivji sten de mi uni ni na kondong tu ber de la no cha parameter official de yeme wan hagatu gu sni de ya medical check up ki kam wa hi porn ru ji me de man po nyau ji wan de kali jing kali uni kulit imen but haite mana da ukuli jingli da ong mi wa on em hi te wa kedong ai gini gi VDP member kam jo le ra ai gini ga wai Watak wa the dep ya yi kerja pi hendrai hakata gaji kerja mem wa menso the hadin one the kemu ni u pulit ime the book gi hapok ke safe custody yang ke police lock up hachimet dep the pen ya an gi me chapok kot kam hakawin gasni dep ka to gasni wara gi me the you on me the komo me cannot remember.
No, did he tell to the police that he admitted that he had a quarrel with the VDP
Ong
members,
mi gi
but
pulit
however nobody was injured?
ong mi pulit watak wa họ lệ hi ai te kedong hi agi ra ai ko wai da ra tang wa mem wa man so ka po ai te kasni mem ong me cannot remember sir.
I cannot recollect if I had disclosed to the police that I had a quarrel with VDP members. PW3. PW3 Longslur Pakma stated in his evidence that the incident occurred on 17/8/2019 and the FIR was lodged on 18/8/2019. At that point of time, I was the VDP secretary of Kuntong Tuber. On the day of the incident, I was at home. At around 8 p.m., I received a phone call from the member of the VDP, Shri Silence Talang, informing me that one Shri Sanki Kendai had created trouble. Thereafter, I left the house of the accused. I left for the house of the accused, Sanki Kendai. On reaching his house, I found only the wife and the children of the accused were present in the house. Thereafter, I inquired from Shri Silence Talang as to what had happened. He told me that at the time when he thought of disembarking a passenger from his vehicle, Shri Sanki Kendai picked up a quarrel with Silence Talang. The accused then went to his house and came back after some time with a dao in his hand and swung the dao on his hand. Thereafter, one member of the VDP, Hamboy Rinklem, came along with some VDP members. Some VDP members gathered at the place where Silence Talang was present. On seeing the crowd, the accused fled away. What he has to say?
Uniu nos ki wele wan uma long slur pakma da ongu the one ekte no wa yigni jingjia de jia ka khatnya trip na wa pra aja kha khande te ga FIR le de tho ha ka khap pra trip na wa pra aja kha khande the heni por o manu kam WDP secretary younger kandong tu ber Hakimni singi wajia ong o emo hayung hay por pra waji de yo phone call de emo phone o na bi member yang WDP hi uni ta o silent talang de khana o ta wa mi usan ki de penhe yaw mi hita de ma hadap ne te uni u ma de lao chiung yong phi Manapo yung phi de chemu wa to em ka kuri me mi we ki kon mi wa em hayung te man de ne te de kali yung new silent talang wa yi wajia te khanau new silent talang yi o to wa hai por wa mut new silent talang pun hier gini gi passenger negeri yang o te mi de sedang mi pun u auri ma mo new silent talang te kam jo ro de lai ro mi chi yung yang de lai mi chi yung mi ta hadin pen cepet cepori wan ra mi kata kawait mi hakti mi te kawait man kawang mi ga man dep ni tem hadin ni de wi ni gini gi member yang ga VDP hi u hamboy reng klem le wanu te em ro gi bi a ro gi VDP member de yelang gi heta mandi lang hi ni thau em hi u silent telang ro te mandi yo mi wa to de bon ru heta de yelang gi chi bon bru mi la yu dat mi ne te yu on mi em ngata it is not true.
The above evidence is not correct. PW4, Silence Talang, stated in his evidence that on 17/5/2019 at around 8 p.m., I went and dropped some passenger at Lum RC Kendong to Bear village. Thereafter, I returned home and parked my car. And later, I met Shri Hamboy Rinklem and Shri Stephen Kandai on the road. While we were talking, suddenly the accused Sanki Kandai came in inebriated condition and used abusive, filthy language on us. We advised him not to speak, but he did not listen. The accused Sanki Kandai went to his house, which is not far from the place where we were standing. Suddenly, the accused appeared again with a dao in his hand and attempted to assault the three of us. We fled away. What he has said?
Uni nanski so wan uta ta o silent telang dak wan ekti nu wah gani ke khatnya to re benai wasan aja khat khindi hai por pram jimin dalai penhiar passenger u chini chalom RC kendong tu ber ta mahdi ni te por wa liwan u chiyung da bu ga ke kri ro chemu yo new hamber klem mo Stefan kendai chaluti hai por wa dang iklam gi sendet me usan gi kendai da wan me da pen he yaw da kelam si kelam sang me yiki da ong gi me wa mau kelam ngam ta rai me em ap me ki ta mani dap ni da me usan ki da lai me che yung me wo em jangai ni ti thau wo yin gi sendet wan he me wan ra me wo ka wai hakti yong me da perchang me u dat ki penlingut kita gi bro ta rai heti por ki la yut at ki yu ong me tan
Have been falsely implicated. Further evidence? Further examination. Yes. Monroy?
Rose, then he just called me. Sorry, he's called.
What is that petition? He's wearing?
For calling a witness.
They have objection.
I'll just see the caller now. Then PP.
File should cause.
They file. Which witness? No, he has to sign the 313. Where is the petition? Let's see. Okay. Whom do you want to summon?
Group 12.
For re-examination.
Yes.
What is the ground for re-examination?
Group 12 is the complainant and the first FIR filed before the police. So through this Group 12, we want to exhibit the FIR.
Second FIR.
First FIR.
Yes.
Don't intimate the court that to take it up on Thursday.
Just inform me in the morning only. It's coming from Shillong.
He called me this morning, but he said he will be late. I said, I don't mind, but now
petition number 103/25 dated 31/7/2025, filed by the accused persons. Filed by the accused person. First up, the above petition has been filed by the accused. Inter alia, praying for summoning PW 12 for re-examination. The prosecution has filed objection to the petition. The prosecution, this court has been informed that the public prosecutor is engaged in some personal family matter. As such, he could not appear this court today. Prefix for hearing of the petition number 103/25. Date you give. Yes.
Obliged. Obliged.